This is Saturday the 20th. Anyway, this is that part, all that dry rot from the woodpecker holes that Robert the carpenter fixed. So that's all completed. That looks good. So there is, how far do you want him to go? That's what I need to know. On these woodpecker holes, there's still some damage up there, and mainly, there's just a couple little places where the shingles have holes. I think he pretty much got all those, but if you look at the trim up there, that fascia up there, which is cedar, 2x6, 1x6, I'm not sure what that is, but anyway, I don't know if you can see, but there are big holes in that piece of trim up there, all the way across. There's 4 big holes, and then there's a bunch of big holes all the way down, 6 or 8 holes there. I don't know if you can see those or not. But anyway, do we want to go ahead and repair those now? Yeah. So anyway, if you could let me know, mainly on that, and then there are some other spots around, but that would take him, if you want that done, he can get started on that. Probably Monday. We're gonna have a week of good weather, I think, and then I will go over it with him on Monday on any other spots besides little repairs, anything significant that we're gonna want your okay on. So for right now, the trim on the roof line there, do we want to repair that? And then Monday I will get with him and I can do a video and we can show you anything else that we think needs to be done.